Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to install infinite stamina and weapon mods in Dying Light the Beast. I'll show you guys how to do it. Just need to check my video description for this site link. Just scroll down and go to files. Select the manual download option under main files. Select the slow download option and it will start downloading. If you are new to this site, then you will be redirected to a login page. You just need to log into the site, guys. If you doesn't have an account, then select the register option and then log in to the site and it will start downloading. And select this folder icon, right click on the downloaded file and select printer and extract to. Now just drag it to left, right. You just need to navigate to the game folder, guys. After you are in the game folder, you just need to go to ph_ft source. Just drag and drop this file to this game folder and select replace the file destination, and then just to close it up here and launch the game and enjoy the mod, guys. Don't forget to leave a like, guys. Thank you.